Okay, walking up the hallway. This is the smallest of the rooms. At the moment housing a couple of bunk beds for a couple of little girls. It has no aircon in this room, but has the ability to be pushed out to the carport if you want to enclose the carport. And it has a wardrobe, built-in single wardrobe. You walk through here, it's only one wide step, the hallway across. Down, you've got a shower, walk-in shower, bathroom, separate toilet, another bedroom here. Again, this bedroom does not have aircon, has the same wardrobe set up. It has an aspect to the rear of the property, pretty basic. And you go through here, this is what I'd consider would be the master. The master has got an aircon. It's got, again, the opportunity to push out that way, make the bedroom bigger, maybe add an ensuite and a robe, little alcove where the TV goes. This is, again, where your hot westerly sun will be on this side of the house. And your breeze will come from there, which is your southeast. I'm just going to walk you through now to the laundry and we'll do a quick video of the laundry. Pretty basic laundry, but it's a good size. Could use a new tub. Has got fantastic storage. And the door that goes to the outside. I'll just be turning the video off and turning it back on again as the dog approaches me. Hello.